Hello all. So today we will do the record work for your EFAD theories. Okay, that is the 8-head theory woman stick figure. So previously you had just practiced. Now I am telling you the proper way of doing the record work. Now take a A3 size sheet like this, do the border like this. Okay, leave some space to write 8-head woman stick figure. So this headings I will give you later, so you can just cut it out and stick it like this. Okay, so now you can see, so this all of you know how to do it. So this is the front and this is the back. This is how you have to present it in your records. Okay, so you know that. I'll just come closely so you can see it. So this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, so this is how the bifurcations are done, so all of you know that. So this is from here 1 centimeter, make the head, then half centimeter, make the neck, and you know, dividing this you get the shoulder line, that is 2 centimeters from here. Okay, from here you have to take 2 centimeters, then you come to the waistline. So from the center line 1 centimeter, from the center line 2 centimeters for the hip, and here, so most of you are confused here, you're making the legs too thin. So here what you're doing is just go a little bit above. Okay, there you have to, from here you have to go 1 centimeter, and for the calf you have to take 1.1 centimeter. Okay, just a little bit. I don't want two very cross thing, just a little bit. See, this is 1 centimeter and this is 1.1 centimeter, just 1.1. Okay, so this shape should be like this. So from here it is half centimeter and from here it is 1 centimeter. This is how the foot will come. So just observe this carefully and do the drawing. I don't want very haphazard sketches from you. Please see to that you draw like this. Okay, and this is the back view. So this is your front view and this is the back view. Okay, almost the similar, only the back you will get the buttocks like this. Okay, and the foot will be like this for the front and the back, right? Yeah. Next we are going to do the block figure. As I've explained a lot in your theory class, we need to do cylinders. You know what is a cylinder? So cylinders, triangle, and this is the thing. So very carefully, so it is just the same thing, measurements are the same. So 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Same measurements, same stick figures you are drawing, but you will be doing the cylinders. That is, these are all, don't get scared seeing this figure, it is the bone socket. So here in the shoulder you have a socket, here in the elbow you have a socket, here in the pelvic, that is the hips, you have a socket. So these are the movements of your limbs. Here you have a knee socket, this is your ankle socket. So you need to draw like this. So I will be sharing this photograph with you in the group, so you have to observe this and draw exactly. So from here you draw the shoulder 2 centimeters, there only you have to draw this section, make a small circle and then draw like this and come like this. This is your rib cage section, there is a waist, and draw like this, same measurements, you don't have to get scared. Then you have make a small circle here, draw like this and come here, and then make a small circle, do this knee socket, make a small 1.1 inch insertion for the calf muscle, and then come down and then make another small circle for your ankle. So all these are the same measurements that I have told: 1 centimeter, 1.1 centimeter, half a centimeter and 1 centimeter. Do not change the measurements. Okay, so this is the front and this is the back. So back looks like this. Okay, so the back, only difference is this section. Okay, so you can just have a look at this. Yeah. Okay, so after this you have the flesh figure. So I told you, when you make a flesh figure it will look like this. So you don't have to color right now, the coloring part I will teach you next. So you can just 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this is how you do the, just make the points, that is the markings you can do. Okay, so 0 from here 2 centimeters, from here 1 centimeter, from here 2 centimeters, from here 1 centimeter, from here 1.1, from here half a centimeter, from here 1 centimeter. So make all the markings and then draw smooth lines. This is how you have to draw the smooth lines. Okay, just go about the lines and make a skin, that is the flesh layer. So this is called as your 8-head woman's flesh figure. This is the front and this is the back. So you need to draw like this. Okay, practice. Once you practice more, it will come. Okay, yeah, thank you.